what happens when you don't give a dog a puppy a bug? This is what happens. He keeps dropping it over and over again and won't eat it. Just so you know, this bug right here, this is a ladybug. Oh yeah, not a ladybug, a love bug. It's on her. Let's get it. She ate it? Sadie! Aww. See, this is sad because she can't eat the thing. I mean, like, even though she's hungry, she has dog food over there. This music just makes everything better. Sadie, eat it! Eat it, Sadie! Sadie. Sadie, eat it. It's almost dead. I think she killed it. Sadie, did you eat it? Nope. Sadie, are you done eating it? Finish. Don't worry, almost done. Don't worry, come on. You can do it. Come on, eat it. Eat it. You're so close. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. It's dead, but come on, you can still do it. Eat it, no matter how much she tries. Thank you. I hope you liked this video. I'll see you all